Hello everyone, welcome to Walking Show of States. Today we're gonna go to Roosevelt Island, and if you want to go to Roosevelt Island you need to take the tramway. So today I'm taking the tramway and let's see what's gonna happen. And this, if you want to go to Roosevelt Island and if you want to take the tramway, and if you go in the night time, its view is very good. I'm going in the morning time, like evening is now, not the morning, sorry for that. And hopefully we'll have a great ride, and let's check it out. Probably 6 minutes. Let's see what's gonna happen. Got from here. It's called to $2.75. This is the entry. I have my metro card, so you got the terminal will come in and you can step down in there. One is going right now. If you guys see, there is going one more. The both ways come, so we're waiting for the second one. We're gonna step in a few moments. Let's go in, guys. I came down in the Roosevelt Island, and I feel if you want to relax in New York City, this is one of the best part because the river is on, but it's cold now, so it's not the best part. Oh, the Roosevelt Island buses are very nice in the red color. I never saw the MTA bus in red color. morning now. They're very fit. I'm not fit. I hope I'll be starting my gym as soon as possible. I had the membership for last 3 months, but I never went through. It's like I'm stupid, huh? I'm giving every month 25 bucks to the gym, and I never went to. Because like, my schedule and the gym schedule doesn't match. For the COVID-19, the gym is closed now at 6 o'clock, and my classes are finished for 3 o'clock. Then I take a nap or get some food, and it's come to 5:30, and when it come to 5:30, I don't want to go in 6 o'clock, because the 6 o'clock our gym is closed. And Saturday, Sunday, I need to go to work. This is my first week, and Saturday, I'm outside of the work, and I'm exploring things. Otherwise, I never get involved in Saturday. I was wishing for a coffee, and like, I'm freezing cold, my hand is freeze. I forgot to get the gloves. I want a coffee, but I didn't think like I will get a Starbucks. They have also a Starbucks over here, close to the subway. If you come take the F train, you'll find the Roosevelt Island subway. There is a Starbucks. So SS, both are matched. My name also starts with the S, so I know it's a bad joke, but let's go to Starbucks. So I cannot record there, don't know why. I got my coffee. I think I just found the best spot of seating. It's gorgeous, dude. If you wanna I didn't get anyone to say like, if you wanna date, I think it's the best spot to get to seating. Two couples can come and sit there, but in the summertime, don't come in the winter, man. It'll be cold, freezing. I think that's the best view. And if you have those kind of apartments facing the view also for the river, man, you're paying the worth. Thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. And this is the end of Roosevelt Island to Manhattan trip, and I'm packing to my home. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the video, and if you like the video, just hit the like button and share with your friends, and subscribe the channel if you are a subscriber yet. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and supporting me, and all of you are doing well, and be smart, be safe. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.